Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to set Dolby Atmos sound effect in Poco C71. So before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon.